Hello guys, hello my friends, hello all my fans on YouTube. Guess what we are going to do today? We are going to learn something very unique today, and this one is mostly about we students. I'm a student, so if I say we students, I understand what I'm talking about. Before that, please like this video, subscribe, comment, and share. And doing this doesn't take time, it's free. It doesn't require any access to something to do it. And please, we are going to talk about how to solve our mathematics question with just the camera. Maybe I have a simplifying question and I want to solve it. Just look at how to solve it. Okay, thank you. So all we need to do is to just go to the Google Play Store to download an app called the Photomath. So we are going to download the app called the Photomath, and after downloading it, we are just going to open it to do our settings. So it's getting ready, so let's wait. So I'm going to choose the language I like, and it's English. So I'm going to skip the tutorial. Then I'm going to sign in the account with my Google account. Signing up with my account, I can see that they said I should take picture of what I want them to solve for me. So I'm just going to take a picture of it. I just wrote this question and I want to see if whether it's true. So I'm just going to click on this button, this red button, to see. So it's analyzing. I'm going to see whether it's going to solve really as they are saying. So as you can see, it's analyzing. So it says solutions. It's showing me the graph. No, this is not what I actually wanted. Let's try again and see. Yeah, this was what I was looking for. It's actually work. Students, our solution is now here. Just go to the Google Play Store, download the Photomath, do your settings, and now come and use it. It's for simplifying your question. Let me try another question and see. So I have this question also here. Oh my god, it's really worked. Photomath, it's very best. Yes, mathematics solver for us, and this one is for simplifying of questions. So now I think your solution is here. Don't bother roaming on the internet looking for how to get the solution to your simplifying question. Just go to the Google Play Store, download Photomath, and use it. Please, thank you. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, comment, and share it. Thank you. See you another time.